And in scenario number two, it's all around the idea of DLP, data loss prevention. Now, I'll tell you when it comes to DLP, data loss prevention, it's not just the ideas of the perspective where someone makes a mistake. Right? That's like a traditional definition where we're worried about errors and omissions. People attach things to emails they shouldn't. People copy data to an external drive and they lost the drive. They shouldn't have copied it to begin with, or the data wasn't encrypted. Those are all really important perspectives. But of course, DLP also relates to ideas of insider threat, where you have people who could be working with malicious intent against an organization. And in scenario number two, we have a perspective where a USB thumb drive has been found in a company vehicle. Okay, so we have a carpool, a thumb drive was found and turned into the security department. And based upon the information that was on that USB drive, we think there's potentials of either compromise and or insider threat. It could be both. We don't know initially until we start to do some investigation.